Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome back. In today's trading session, it is Monday. It is Monday, June the 13th at 5:30. We finished the trading session a long time ago. I just figured I'd cut this video now. So give me a second here while I put my disclaimer up there. So I can't give you any financial advice, any legal advice, any taxation advice, or any investment advice because I'm not certified or licensed to do so. Trading as options is risky and you could blow up your account and lose all your money. Okay, so you'll see my full-blown disclaimer on my YouTube channel there. And if I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you, I'm looking at my multiple screens up here. Okay, so that's that out of the way. Today we traded AMD, and it was a very good trade. We traded the 85 puts. So I bought the June 17th, 2022 85 puts because what I saw in the marketplace was going red most of the day. So let's come over here. Oh, and let me just show you here. Let me come over here. Excuse me. People are going to ask me, well, is your account real? Why do you have delayed data on your account? I've been going over this for months and months and months. So you see it right there. It's real-time data. I got all the feeds on real time. I don't trade futures. So because of my location where I'm located, TD Ameritrade doesn't let me trade futures or futures options. So it's delayed. My Forex is in real time and others in real time. So all my security stuff, everything is in real time what I want to trade. And as you can see here, I blurred out my actual account number so I don't violate my terms and services of my brokerage, right? So we traded AMD. So let's move back over here. I got into the trade. When did I get into this trade here? We'll have to move these candles down a bit here. So let me just, well, you know what? Let's be all transparent here. So let's come over here, and let's go over to my fill position so you see exactly what I got filled on, okay? I mean, if we're going to be transparent, let's be transparent. So, let's see here. When did I buy this? I bought this at 9:57. I entered in my position. I got 50 contracts. Yeah, big boy position, $1.44. That was the net price. And I exited out of that position at 10:30. So it was basically a 33-minute move and 193. That was my exit. So you see that there, full-blown account. And what I wanted to show you was the actual methodology and strategy, right? So you see what I made there, $2,400 of real live account, $2,450 actually. So that's out of the way. That's the real fill, real account. Because everyone's always asking me, are you trading on a real account? Well, duh. Yeah, of course I'm trading on a real account. Why would I trade and not in a real account? That's what separates me from probably about 98, 99, 99% of the option traders and stock traders on YouTube is I trade in a real account. Hardcore capital I put out front every day into the marketplace. So 9:57. So let's look at this. 9:57. Let's get a good idea. Let's get a good feel for 9:57 right around there. There was my entry, and then it moved up a little bit. I wasn't too concerned about it because of the overall flow, what was happening, and then the move down was a very good move. So you see it right here. Let me see if I can open these candles up a little bit more for you so that you see it right there. So what was it, 10:30 got out, roughly around there. So right on this candle, that's when I was out. So it was a good trade, half an hour trade to make $2,400. I'll take it all day long. If you're wondering what I'm using intraday momentum options scalping indicators. I don't really rely on indicators, but if you're looking for a great setup, my setup today that I was using is the CCI and money flow, and I'm also using the Heikin-Ashi modified candles. Right? I'm not using the regular candles because they can give you some head fakes. I'm using the color-coded system for the Heikin-Ashi, right? So you see it right there. I stay in the trade until it turns green, then I get out. So, and you see the option right here that I bought is, and I was monitoring, is the 85 puts once again. So this is how we do it at the plat. Oh, excuse me there. You have to forgive me there. I was just finished eating, so never cut a video when you just finish eating. All your blood's going to your gut, trying to digest your food, and you're trying to talk, and you got food coming back up. Oh, it's crazy. Anyways, Heikin-Ashi, CCI, money flow, and then you see the option right here. I'm trading the option. I marked everything out. You can't really see it right here, but let me move down here to the 5-minute candle. And then you'll see over here, sorry, let me move to the 5-minute candle here. You'll see that I trade in you'll see my support and resistance. You'll see the support and resistance everywhere, support and resistance bars. And you'll see right over here, this is my pivot point. So I trade on pivot points. Some people call them gravity points, pivot points, reverse, whatever you want to call them. That's what I use right there. So the setup I use is the CCI, money flow, and pivot points with the volume profile and moving average. So that's it in a nutshell. What I want to talk to you today is about how to stay in a position intraday, and when the candles change on you, that's when you get out, right? So if we go over here to 10 o'clock, basically, 9:57, sorry. I'm on a 2-minute candle, so let's break this down to a 1-minute candle so that you can see it a little more clearly. Okay, so my charts aren't really working with me, but you get the gist. So 10 o'clock, sorry, 9:57 to 10:30, 33-minute trade using the Heikin-Ashi. So if you're going to go long, it's green. If you're going to go short, it's red. So I stayed in the trade and it was red until it turned out like 3 green candles in a row and you're out. Because that's what you're supposed to do. Well, that's what I do. Because sometimes you may get faked out, even with a Heikin-Ashi. So like you see right here, there's 2 red candles. Should have told you to sell, right? Well, if you would have sold, you would have missed that move right there, right? So I usually wait for 3 candle changes in a row to know that I'm basically out. But then I look at the CCI and I look at where it is in relation, and I look at my moving averages right here, and I look at my money flow. So everything's got to line up pretty much, not perfectly, but everything's got to be a good lineup for me to be able to make my move either to exit a position or get into a position. So that being said, my name's Double P. Sorry for the choppy content there, but you get the gist of what's going on, real live account. Money's to be made, and I explained to you the system that I'm using for today. So if you like that video, somewhere in the video you're going to see a link to my site. Head on over to the site, And I'd love for you to become a member so that you can trade whether the market's up, down, sideways. We don't care. We make money when the market's up. We make money when the market's down. We make money when the market's going sideways. I don't care, right? It doesn't make a difference to me, right? And it shouldn't make a difference to you either. So just be agnostic like I am. Be an agnostic trader, right? Market's up, you trade it up. Market's down, you trade it down. Market's going sideways, you hedge, right? So that's it for me, Double P. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.